What be you doing, doctor? What be you doing? See, underneath this is one of them cushy beds. He crawls under the blankie to sleep. Yes, we're making him really suffer. Oh, is he cute? Ingeborg, there's the baby. Yeah. Oh, sweetie pie. What you doing? What you doing? Say hi to mommy. Now don't be spilling the food in your face. That's not good. You already took a swim once this morning. Oh my. Oh my. Go ahead. Casey's so sad. Ah, battery's low. Gotta go.